Hello and welcome. In this episode, we will explore the key innovations behind the new Daikin FWQ-A ducted fan coil unit. Let's explore the main features and look at 6 good reasons to choose the Daikin FWQ-A ducted fan coil. Let's start with performance. The new FWQ-A has been engineered to deliver higher cooling capacities and far greater flexibility in system design. We can achieve up to 12.5 kilowatts at 50 pascals in standard conditions, ensuring strong, even airflow in most installations. But what really sets this unit apart is its ability to maintain efficiency with external static pressure values up to 140 pascals. For engineers working with challenging ceiling voids, longer duct runs, or complex branch layouts, this means fewer compromises. You don't need to oversize, you don't need workaround solutions. The unit simply performs. It adapts to the real-world constraints of modern buildings, delivering reliable comfort and stable operation across a much broader range of conditions. Moving on to the motor, this is a major upgrade. The FWQ-A is equipped with a brushless DC motor with a variable dip switch selection. This allows for very precise matching between the fan speed and the system's actual external static pressure, meaning consistent airflow, better acoustic comfort, and optimal energy performance, because the fan is never working harder than it needs to. It also gives installers and commissioning engineers a much finer level of control, making it easier to tune the unit to the exact conditions of the project. The result is long-term stability, end-user comfort, and lower operating costs, which is exactly what modern HVAC systems demand. Regarding system integration, the FWQ-A supports open protocol communication, enabling seamless plug-and-play integration with BMS platforms and hydronic networks. As buildings move towards smarter, more interconnected infrastructures, interoperability becomes a key differentiator. The unit is also fully compatible with the Daikin Smart Control system, giving advanced functions for centralized monitoring, enhanced energy efficiency, and streamlined commissioning for both new and retrofit projects. For large-scale or multi-zone applications, this is a substantial advantage. The HVAC system works as a coordinated ecosystem rather than a collection of isolated components. Equally important is installation time. This unit comes with factory-mounted valves and an integrated drain pump, significantly reducing on-site work. This pre-assembled approach saves time, reduces costs, and limits the risk of errors during installation. In large projects where dozens or even hundreds of fan coils must be installed under tight deadlines, this can make a real difference. Faster commissioning and fewer variables help ensure a more predictable, reliable installation process. Filtration is an increasingly critical aspect of HVAC system design. The unit is supplied with G2 filters as standard, but can easily be upgraded to G3 or G4 where higher air quality is required, such as healthcare environments, laboratories, or areas with sensitive equipment. This modular filtration strategy allows you to tailor the system to the application without changing the main unit. Designers can optimize air quality, system efficiency, and maintenance strategy simply by selecting the right filter class. Finally, control intelligence. The FWQ-A integrates seamlessly with the Daikin Shinka control platform along with the Shinka touchwall interface. This gives users intuitive, precise control while offering installers a streamlined experience. The Shinka Manager commissioning app further simplifies setup, allowing quick configuration and verification directly from a mobile device. For modern HVAC systems that prioritize energy optimization and ease of maintenance, this kind of smart control architecture is increasingly essential. Thank you for your attention.